Is that settled? I mean, are we to interpret Shadow Docket orders as precedent, or is that still up in the air?
We don't know. To make a long story short. So the court formally continues to insist that unsigned, unexplained orders carry no precedential value. And yet, we can point to, and the book points to, 5 or 6 instances where the court, in some of these COVID cases especially, treats unsigned, unexplained orders as precedents. Either because it's telling lower courts to reconsider their decision in light of this unsigned, unexplained order, right? I mean, because if you're a lower court judge, what you want from the Supreme Court is you want guidance, right? You accept that if they disagree with you, they win. Like, that's the nature of the job. But when you get a ruling, like there's one from February 2021 called Gateway City Church versus Newsom, where the court reaches out to block some of California's COVID restrictions. And the court, in this cryptic order that has no reasoning, says the Ninth Circuit's decision was clearly erroneous, right? Because the Ninth Circuit failed to account for our ruling in a case called South Bay 2. Well, Joel, in South Bay 2, there was no majority opinion, right? And so here you have the Supreme Court chastising the Ninth Circuit for failing to appropriately divine the tea leaves, right, from a decision that didn't have a majority opinion with actual rationale in it. Right. There's a case from April 2021 called Tandon versus Newsom, where the court says this is the 5th time we've dealt with the Ninth Circuit in a COVID case. The other 4 didn't have majority opinions. So, I think, I don't mean to be too critical, but I think the court is kind of talking out of both sides of its mouth a bit when it comes to precedent, where formally it's still the case that these are not precedential, but we can point to examples where the court is clearly acting as if they are.
So it's not precedent, but hey guys, pay attention. If we're doing something...
It's not precedent, but you ignore it at your peril.